Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to connect a domain to your Vercel account. So let's do it. Okay, so we are in Vercel right now, and I'm going to use GoDaddy as an example, right? So it will be different for every domain provider, but what you're essentially going to be doing is going into your domain provider. For example, we're using GoDaddy. You're going to look for domains wherever that may be, and then you are going to go and look for the domain that you would like to add to Vercel. Now, what will happen is once you're in Vercel, you're going to go and look for the project that you'd like to add your domain to. So we're going to go and click on this, and right at the top you will see settings. And after settings, you'll look to the left side and you'll see domains. Right over here, you'll have the option to add domain as well as buy domain. So if you click on add domain, you're going to have your domain in here from your domain provider, which in my case would be GoDaddy. You're going to enter it in over here. So let's just say, for example, it is sam.com. You are going to make sure that it says redirect sam.com to www.sam.com. That is recommended. And then keep it on connect to an environment. And that will be then your system environments, either production or preview. And then you're going to go ahead and click on save, right? So this is not a real domain, and it's not actually through GoDaddy, but this is just a sample. So once you've gotten that in there, this will not look like this. Of course, it will be green, and then your domain will be connected to Vercel's project.